Welcome!
Good day. Today we're going to have a look at my McDonald's MOC. MOC stands for my own creation. As you can see here, KFC MOC that I've done last time. But let's continue with the McDonald's MOC. And this MOC, as you can see, is in a bit of chaos. And I'll show you the chaos now. And yeah, let's get to it. Let's start fixing it up. As you can see, I've got my microfiber cloth, my dishwashing liquid and water, and my toothbrush again with a soft head, soft brush. Okay, so let's start, and then we'll clean off all the Lego before we assemble it again. As you can see here again, I'll show a bit closer. I've used used and new bricks just to get a nice effect of a real building. If your MOC stood for a while in storage, if you've packed it away, or a set for that matter that you've built, you just get back to it, and when you clean the pieces, just make sure that it's all pressed in together nicely and that there's no gaps in between the Lego. Okay, so what we do is here we just take the toothbrush and we get all the dust off in between all the studs. I can see there. Then take your microfiber cloth. Okay, so our first floor is now done. As you can see here, some of my wires that connects all the LED lights inside to create a nice effect at night of the Lego MOC. You can do that as well. Okay, let's start with the second floor now. What I'm going to do is just see that it's the correct way around. I'm just not going to connect the wires yet, so that we can just sort this thing out. I just do this to keep this wire away. And now let's fit this policeman back so that he can enjoy his burger, his BigMac from McDonald's. As you can see there, BigMac. Remember our hat bricks sign here, as I'm leaving for Europe soon. We're on short final now, as they say in aviation terms. And remember to keep a good lookout for our hat bricks pilot there. Okay, so there the second floor is done. There's something falling off, maybe a burger inside this first floor.
cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go.
Okay, this is a tour of the second floor. So what you see here is some benches in the McDonald's with tables and some minifigures that stand around here. We must just get a headpiece for this bloke. Okay, so let's put the roof on and let's complete the mock. Okay, let's switch the lights on. I've connected all the lights. Let's see how it is looking. Okay, the lights are on, and as you can see, or I'll show you a bit later on, there's lights at the staircase as well.
I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.
All I have to do is now just add a drive-thru and let's make it nice and neat.